Hello girls. Today we will read chapter 2 hardware and software. In the previous video we have seen hardware and software is interdependent. That means hardware works with the help of software and software works with the help of hardware. Now today we will read about the software. Software is the part of computer which cannot be touched. We only can fill the software. Software is the set of instructions that is given to the computer to do a particular work. That is called the software. When we talk about the software, it is of two types. System software and application software. System software is the set of programs that controls the overall working of the computer system. It manages all the input and output devices. We know that software is essential for the computer, then the system software is essential for the computer system. A computer works without the application software, but system software is essential for the computer. OS stands for operating system. OS stands for operating system. It is a part of software. It is a part of system software that allow to access the computer system. It manages all the functions of computer, like we enter the input, it does the processing, display the processed information, store our data safe for the longer period of time. When we are saving the file, it keeps track of all the information of the files and folders. So operating system is responsible for all kinds of work on the computer system. It also allows to use the application software. What is application software? Application software that we use for the particular purpose. System software is used for the all kind of work. But application software works for the particular purpose. Suppose MS Word is used to prepare the document. That is called the word processing software. MS Excel, that is the spreadsheet software that is used for calculation. MS Access, that is used to create the database. PowerPoint, presentation software, that is the MS Power, that is the PowerPoint. So we use different application to do the particular work. That is called the application software. Now we will see the simple example. You get the CD with your book, so that book is the hardware. You can see the hardware, but can you see the content? When we insert it into the computer system, it plays, and then after we see the content, we cannot touch the content. So those content, that is the software, and CD is the hardware. One example we can see related to the operating system. A car without a driver, a car without a petrol. You know the function of petrol in a car. Without that your computer cannot work, and without that a car will not work. Similarly, the same function of operating system. Without the operating system, your computer is unable to do any kind of work. That is the operating system. Application software works with the help of system software.